Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's video is going to be my top 5 favorite mascara. I know you guys love watching my top 5 videos. You guys loved my top 5 foundation. I also have a video where I showed you guys my top 10 favorite nude lipstick. So here I am with my top 5 favorite mascara for you guys. Some of them are also best sellers on Nykaa. So yeah, I hope you guys will find this video really helpful. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Before starting this video, before showing you guys my top 5 favorite mascara, I think you guys should know something about my eyelash type, a little bit background of my eyelash. So my eyelash is not long. I am not blessed with long voluminous eyelash. I don't have short eyelash, but my eyelash length is very average and I don't have that much volume as well. So mascara is a really important thing for me if I am going out somewhere. Doing a makeup tutorial, you guys always see me, I manage it with some falsies, but whenever I'm going out somewhere, I cannot wear falsies. That's when I need my mascara. I am going to show you guys few mascara which is not only good for your upper lash but also for your lower lash line as well. Mix them up a little bit and I'm going to show you guys what are my favorite mascara. The first mascara that I am going to show you guys is this one right over here. This one is the Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara from Maybelline. Mascara is such an iconic mascara right over here. So many people love this mascara. The best part is you are getting such a beautiful mascara in such an affordable price. This one is not the waterproof one because I am not a waterproof mascara person. I feel like whenever I use a waterproof mascara, I just see my eyelash everywhere and it just annoys me so much. I'm not a waterproof mascara person, but obviously I have few mascara which is waterproof, which are kind of my favorite as well, which I'm going to show you guys afterwards. It's such a beautiful drama around your eyes. It gives you such thick voluminous lash look. Will work for me, may not work for you depending on how different our lashes are. It's a very medium length lash and I don't have that much volume, so particularly I think this eyelash gives me volume rather than length. Eyelash, this is the mascara that I am wearing today and I just particularly love this mascara. This is one of my favorite and my everyday go-to mascara. I'm just gonna show you guys how the applicator actually looks. As you guys can see, it's curvy. It helps you to get a voluminous lash look, which I personally love. Second mascara that I'm gonna talk about is from Sugar Cosmetics. This one is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara and this is such a beautiful mascara. This one is their mini version. I'm just quickly going to show you guys how this applicator actually looks like. As you guys can see, this applicator is also a little bit curvy, which helps you to get volume. But as you guys can see, the applicator is so long and it's not that thick, and this is because it will help you to get a lengthening effect. And I just particularly love this mascara, especially for my lower lash line, because I don't know, I just cannot use a mascara properly if the wand is very thick and chunky. I just cannot use that mascara on my lower lash line. I will mess up and I know that. If you want to buy full size of this product, you can buy the mini version. It's really good. This is such a lightweight mascara. You will not see any clumps. You will not see your eyelash will look very spidery. It will stick to each other. You will not see anything like that. This one is the Alice plus Olivia Hyper Curl Mascara, which is not everyone's cup of tea. I know there are so many people out there, they don't like this mascara and it does not really work for them, but for me it works really good. This mascara contains a very thick formula. The formula is really thick, but it's good. The applicator looks quite similar like the Hyper Curl mascara, but the Hyper Curl mascara actually gives you volume and this gives my lashes a beautiful length. This mascara, just look at the packaging of this mascara. This looks so cute and this actually looks very high-end as well, which is like my favorite part. This mascara, I will not say this is like my absolute ride and die product. This is not something like that, but I just love the mascara as it is. This is a mascara which will give you a beautiful length, a natural length to your eyelash, kind of very everyday natural kind of mascara, which is really good. Even if you are using falsies and if you want to blend your eyelash with your falsies, you can just use this mascara. Last product that I'm going to show you guys is this one. This one is the PAC No Worries mascara. This is what the product actually looks like. PAC is a brand. If you are into makeup and you want to purchase products which is kind of professional, just go for PAC Cosmetics. Not sponsored at all. PAC Cosmetics is such a beautiful brand. All their products, like I seriously love each and every products from PAC Cosmetics. I know PAC Cosmetics is expensive. It's like not that expensive, but it's expensive sometimes. If you want to invest in a professional product, if you want to buy a professional product in India, just go for PAC Cosmetics. I'm using this mascara for so long now. I don't know why this mascara particularly works out for me so well. This formula is seriously so thick. Here's the thing, if you use this mascara more than 3 times, this will clump your lashes, your lashes will stick to each other and it will look very spidery. Reason I sometimes don't really recommend this mascara to everyone. Mascara is a voluminous mascara. I don't know about length, but this will give you such a beautiful volume. I'll show you guys the applicator right over here. Just look at this applicator. It's so unique. It's really good for volume as well as length. Sometimes I use it too much and I just can see 3 eyelashes. All my eyelashes are sticking to each other and I can just see 3 eyelashes like this. If you are not that waterproof mascara person, this is not for you. This is extremely waterproof. The last mascara that I'm gonna talk about is from Faces Canada, Magnetized Dramatic Volumizing Mascara, and this is what it looks like. This is a mascara that will give you curly, lifted eyelash, which is brilliant. Mascara that will curl your eyelash so beautifully. You do not need to use this particular mascara again and again and again just to have a volume so beautifully. This is not a waterproof mascara, which is a best part particularly for me. That's why this is a mascara which is really washable. You can just remove your mascara so easily. Such a long wearing mascara as well. If you are a college student or if you are a working woman and you are going out somewhere and you need a mascara which will be very long lasting, but you do not like a waterproof mascara, this is a particular mascara for you. It's particularly for me. I am very picky with my mascara. I just do not like waterproof mascara, but I want my mascara to stay a little bit long. I'll show you guys the applicator. As you guys can see, the applicator is so unique. Something about this applicator that gives you such a beautiful volume, and it also gives you such a beautiful length as well. Completely recommend it if you're a beginner, if you are searching for a good everyday kind of mascara which will give you volume plus length as well. This is a perfect mascara for you. Yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. Make sure to let me know in the comment section below what is your favorite mascara. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video.